This is a 1993 BMW e36 325i, stock engine, big electric fan. It's got JOM coilovers, stock wheels, plasti dipped, and it's gutted with a Sparco driver's seat. So as you can see, it has no sunroof. The sunroof is right here. Now, by taking that out, you can save about 40 pounds out of the top of the car, which is one of the most important places to take weight out of. So obviously I don't want a giant hole in the top of my roof, and we're going to take care of that. So there's a few options. One, you can use the stock shell, the metal shell, and weld it in, make it look good with some Bondo and whatnot. Or you can throw an aluminum plate over it, paint it, do whatever you want. Or you can use plexiglass or Lexan. Now, I kind of like how much light this hole gives in the car, especially when working in it in a dark garage. So I'm going the plexiglass route. So here we have a sheet of plexiglass. It was about $25. It's 30 by 36.08 thickness. And this is acrylic, which is plexiglass. You can use Lexan, but it's a lot more expensive and can fade in sunlight over time. So we got the plexiglass, got rivets. We're going to use aluminum so they don't rust. And we're going to throw a bead of silicone around it so we don't get water inside the car. So first thing we need to do is make a template. We're going to use cardboard, trace out the sunroof from the inside, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we got the cardboard on the car. Let's go ahead and mark it. So now we want to add an inch around the entire outside. That way we have a spot to rivet it. it. A silicone is probably not the prettiest option, but hopefully once it's dry we can get rid of some of the excess and you won't be able to notice it so much. But it's pretty solid. It's not going anywhere. It'll keep the rain out. And it's super lightweight. So this was my first video, so go easy on me. But if you liked this one, if you want to see more of this car, subscribe, like the video, share with your friends, and we're going to be doing a whole bunch more stuff to this thing. So we've got rear subframe reinforcement we're going to be doing. We've got to put a steering wheel in it, take a look at the power steering, make sure that's fresh and ready to go, and do some ripping this summer.